بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا. I would like to welcome you back in week 9 in electronic business. This week we're going to continue in marketing and advertisement. This week we will focus on the technologies that has been used through the internet. So the internet has main impact on the marketing because it's the scope of the marketing communication. Even richness of the marketing communication increased through the internet technology that we are going to list today. Information intensive on the marketplace, which is we call it market space over the internet, expanded. Always on mobile environment expanded because everybody has in their own mobile all the way, all the time, which is making a marketing opportunities. Let's just see what technology that we're using in market technology. We're using web transaction logs. If you're using the internet and any user jump from this website to that website, from this web server to that web server, it's built-in web server software record the user activity over the websites and even what you are doing inside the website, how long you stayed in each page, what you read and which image you have stopped by, providing much marketing data, especially combined with registration form if you register your name, your age, your gender, and shopping cart database, which is what you are picking from this products. What's the benefit of that? It will tell you the major pattern of the interest and purchase. If, as we mentioned the previous week, if you are a lady, you will purchase makeups, abayas, you will be interested in fashion. If you are a guy, you will buy hardware, you will buy car parts, you will be interested in soccer league, championship, any of these. Like, you can figure out on which kind of user they can profile you. After homepage, where a user go, so every time you open Google and go to Instagram, so even every time you open Facebook, or what you do. Cookies and tracking file. Here we're talking about client side, not the web server side, because when we said web transaction logs, this is on the server side. When we talking about cookies and tracking files, it's inside your machine, inside your laptop, inside your phone. So the web server, when you request a page, will send you back a file. We call it cookies, or even flash cookies, or web beacon, or bugs. Track header, it's a small file. Enter to your machine, and nowadays there is a lot of warning for cookies because the rules and regulation has been changed. So you have this file, register all of the information needed about you as a user. There is other tracking methodology like cross devices tracking, even cross devices. We have deterministic and probabilistic cross device tracking. We will discuss them in the live session. Database, which is we have the big data is created by Internet of Things. If we have sensors, these sensors everywhere, so it will generate a huge data over the internet, like web traffic, email, social media data, content over the internet. All of these data will be up to petabit as we saw in the internet, in the case study of the Facebook. Traditional database management system is unable to handle or process the Internet of Things. So we have Hadoop or non-structured database, because relation database is structure or the structure. Hadoop is not structure, semi-structure, working of open source software, process any type of data like unstructured distributed processor even. Marketing automation and customer relationship management systems. We working over the internet with the track steps of legal generation to market automation system. CRM system is to manage the relationship between the customer and the merchant, or the company and the customer once its purchase is made. Creating a profile for each customer, and the customer data to be developed, select additional product, identifying profitability for customers, optimizing services, and delivery as on. Here is the system, how it's work. Take a look to the customer relationship management system, business intelligence. Let's starting from the telephone, Salesforce, website, in-store, social, all of these customer touch point, which is what you have a contact with the customer. So then traditional process operation, data collection, you do collecting of the data, clarify the data, filter these data, making data warehouse, then go to business intelligence softwares and data mining, analyze this and sending a report to marketing campaign so they can work on it for campaigns. That was this week material, so I wish you enjoy it. Please come and join us in the live session, so we will discuss all of the material. Thank you.